Hey y'all, it's the ARM dude here. Hey, a question I get asked quite a bit is whether or not the ARM software will support the use of barcode scanners in the shipping and receiving process. Well, in this video, I'm going to take you through the quick ship, quick return option for ARM and show you how to do just that. Now, as far as the scanners go, we support online scanning using keyboard wedge attached barcode scanners, or you can do your scanning offline using offline scanners that are running the Windows Mobile OS. So we're really not dependent on the hardware so much as the data that's coming from that hardware. So stay tuned in this video as I take you through the quick ship, quick return options.
Well, okay, before we go out and review the quick ship and quick return processes, we're going to take a moment just to look at the contract we're going to be working with. Contract 1666. You'll see the status is set to new, so this is a contract we have not shipped yet. And if I jump over here to the Lines tab, we'll see that we're shipping out 2 portable toilets on this contract. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this screen, and let's jump over into Quick Ship Entry. You'll find that under your main folder in your ARM module, and if you don't see this Quick Ship, Quick Return options on your screen, then please contact your account manager for assistance. Now I'm going to launch Quick Ship Entry. And this is the screen we'll be working with. The first thing I'm going to do is enter in a location. This is my scanning station. And then next, I'm either going to look up my contract number or I'm going to scan my barcode number if I've got like my picking sheet or make ready list. If I've modified that form to include the barcode that represents the contract number, then I can just scan that barcode, okay, which is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to scan the barcode. Now, once I've scanned in my contract number, then I'm going to start scanning in my serial number. So let's scan in the first serial number that we're going to ship on this contract. After I've scanned in my serial number, I'm going to go ahead and scan in my second serial number. Now, once I've finished scanning all my serial numbers, I'll look over here, see if I had any errors. Okay, if I tried to duplicate, scan the same item twice or something like that, we would catch that and give you an error. In this case, both of these serial numbers are available. Now, we need to update the contract with this information. The way we're going to do that is to print out the register. This shows all of the contracts and serial numbers that we've scanned in since we've last updated the register. Now I'll go ahead and close the printout, and it will update the register for us. Now it'll also ask you if you want to go into automated invoice. Now a lot of folks, when they ship a new contract and they're billing in advance, they're going ahead and creating invoices for those shippers. We're going to skip that in this demonstration. So I'm going to say no. Now let's jump back over into that contract and see what's happened after we've done our shipping process. You'll notice 1666, it now shows that it's in ship status. And if I jump over here to the Lines tab and highlight this line, we'll see that down here it tells us that 2 were shipped. And if I scroll further down this list, we'll see the serial number field down here. And these are the 2 serial numbers that I scanned during the shipping process. Okay? So I'm going to close this now, and let's go out and do the return process, very similar to the shipping. I'll launch Quick Return Entry. Again, I'll put in my location. Now I'm going to put in a reference number. Okay, this is just going to keep track of all of my scanning activities. You'll notice though I'm not putting in the contract number. There's no need to on the return process. The serial number's been associated to the contract. So I'm going to put in my reference number. And now I'm going to come down here to the serial number field, and let's go ahead and scan those serial numbers. So I'll scan my first one. You'll notice once I scanned it in, it automatically picked up the contract number that it was on. Now I'm going to scan the second one. And again, it picked up the contract number for that one as well. Now, much like we had to update the register for the shipping process, we have to do the same thing when we're working with the return. So I'll print this out. And we'll go ahead and close that. And now it's going to update the register. Now, let's jump back over into that contract again. pull up 1666, and let's go to the Lines tab and highlight this. First thing I see is the item number and quantity have both been grayed out. That lets me know a return's been processed against that line. So if I highlight it and scan down here, we'll see that 2 were returned, and when I get to the serial number field, you'll see that these 2 serial numbers were returned as indicated by the serial number being in brackets. So that's the quick ship, quick return process, folks. It really helps expedite things with the shipping process, and it also brings up a higher level of quality assurance as it relates to making sure the appropriate serial numbers are attached to the contracts that the equipment actually went out on. So if you got any questions, again, give your account manager a call or shoot me an email, and I hope you found this information useful to you, folks. Take care.